Hello, Sam-ariffic science fans. Samuel here. There are 23 moons and planets with liquid water, including Earth, Ganymede, and other moons. And of these 22 moons and one planet, only 3 have geysers: Earth, Europa, and Enceladus. And one of these are the ones we're talking about today. Sam-ariffic science fans, today we're gonna unfold the world of Europa. Europa is best known for its geysers, but it's also Jupiter's second largest moon. Every year, NASA scientists found a few new moons in the solar system, and they're usually on Jupiter or Saturn. However, these moons are usually small ones, sometimes orbiting very far from the planet. The chances of us not knowing about a moon bigger than Europa is very slim. Now, let's talk about those geysers. They shoot water from below the surface similar to Earth. Like Earth, Europa's core is hot, so water that scientists assume is below the surface shoots up through a special geological plumbing system and shoots out to the surface. Upon getting to the surface, though, the water will freeze, as the surface of Europa is negative 160 degrees Celsius. With a cold surface and hot cores similar to Earth's, scientists assume that there's a sweet spot underground, where water doesn't freeze or boil. If that's the case, Europa could probably support life in this underground ocean. With the entire surface of Europa covered in ice, there's no shortage of water for aliens to drink. And if that's not enough water, which it probably isn't because it's frozen, scientists think that the ocean underneath Europa is 10 times deeper than the Mariana Trench, so that's a lot of water. Its atmosphere is mostly oxygen, which is also good. But recently, my favorite space telescope, James Webb, has found CO2 in a region, and the ice has been disrupted there, and things are getting mixed around. And we think that the CO2 is from the ocean itself. We need carbon to live. We are carbon-based life. Also, several years ago, a mission was sent to Antarctica, and life was found in lakes beneath its frozen surface, similar to Europa. And there was life in these lakes. It was small, but this doesn't need to be an alien. This, if found on another planet, would be an alien. But we don't have any proof that aliens are real, though I'm sure they are. So let's talk about things we know for sure. In diameter, Europa is 3,126.6 kilometers, making it the second largest moon of Jupiter, second only to Ganymede, which was named after a Greek mythological god. Zeus thought Ganymede looked good as a human, so he captured him and turned him into a god. He was the cupbearer serving everyone's drinks. But enough about him. How did Europa get its name? Well, long story short, Europa was a Greek princess who suffered the exact same fate as Ganymede. Anyway, that's about all for this video, Sam-ariffic science fans. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Samuel out.